6 months.
Time flies.
When we're apart.
What is your skincare?
Why is Ryan Reynolds not just a Hollywood star but a sensation? Is it his wit, his versatility, or a secret skill he's mastered? Unravel the mystery behind Ryan Reynolds' journey from struggling actor to a list superstar and entrepreneur. Get ready for a roller coaster ride through his career highs and the skills that set him apart. Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, where we explore the amazing world of celebrities and share insights to help you succeed and achieve your goals. If you want to learn from the best, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Buckle up, it's time to discover what makes Ryan Reynolds a true Hollywood phenomenon. Ryan Reynolds was born in Vancouver, Canada, in 1976. He started acting when he was 13 years old, appearing in various TV shows such as The Odyssey and Hillside. He later moved to Los Angeles to pursue his dream of becoming a movie star. However, he faced many challenges and rejections along the way. He once said that he auditioned for 400 roles before landing his first film role in 1993. He also suffered from anxiety and depression, which he has been open about in interviews. But Reynolds never gave up on his passion. He kept working hard, taking on different roles in comedies, dramas, action films, and animated features. He also developed his own style of humor, which he used to cope with stress and to connect with his fans. One of the biggest breakthroughs in his career came in 2016, when he starred in Deadpool, a Marvel superhero film that he had been trying to make for over a decade. The film was a huge hit, breaking several box office records and earning him critical acclaim and a Golden Globe nomination. He also produced and co-wrote the sequel, Deadpool 2, which was another success. But acting is not the only thing that Reynolds is good at. He is also a producer, a screenwriter, and an entrepreneur. He has built several brands, such as Aviation American Gin, Mint Mobile, and Maximum Effort, a film production company and a digital marketing agency. He also owns a stake in Welsh football club Wrexham AFC, and sits on the board of the Match Group, the parent company of dating apps like Tinder and Hinge. Forbes has estimated his net worth to be $71.5 million. So, what is the secret behind Reynolds' success? According to him, it is one skill that he learned in a workshop more than 20 years ago: conflict resolution. He said that this skill has helped him to work with different personalities and to lead with kindness. He explained that instead of trying to win an argument or to beat someone that he disagrees with, he tries to empathize and validate what the other person is saying by actively listening and acknowledging their feelings. He said that this way, he can turn them into an ally, or at least understand them better. He said that this skill has changed every relationship in his life, and the trajectory of his career and businesses. Reynolds' attitude and approach to life offer some important lessons for anyone who wants to achieve their goals. He shows that success is not only about talent and luck, but also about hard work, perseverance, gratitude, and kindness. He also shows that success is not a zero-sum game, but a collaborative and creative process that involves learning from others and finding solutions together. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me what you think of Ryan Reynolds and his success story. What is your favorite Ryan Reynolds movie and why? How do you deal with conflict and disagreement in your life? What skill do you want to learn or improve to achieve your goals? If you want to know Leonardo DiCaprio's secret, watch this video where I explain it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.